Want more fun with your Lego self-portrait? Make it come to life and talk with the app ChatterPix. In this video, I'll show you how to use the app to make your Lego self-portrait talk so you can tell more about your artwork, your self-portrait, your imaginative home. Ask permission before downloading the app and have fun. Alright, so the app is called ChatterPix and looks like this funny little guy right here. Alright, so you're going to open that up and it'll say welcome to ChatterPix. Alright, and then you're going to select take photo so that you can take a photo of your artwork. Now I set mine up in my plants on my balcony, so maybe come up with a funny way that you can position your Lego. I have my imaginary home right there, and then I take a picture. Alright, so now that I have taken my picture, if I don't like it, I can hit back, but you'll see they're showing that you need to draw a line, and that is to create the line where your mouth is going to open. This might take a few times. Definitely make sure that you're not too far away because it's going to be hard to draw an itty bitty line. Once you're happy with the line, you're going to hit record. It's going to count you down 3, 2, 1, and then you can have 30 seconds to say what you want. So talk about your self-portrait, your imaginative home, talk about what you've been up to or the funny place that you put your Lego. It's totally up to you. It does only give you 30 seconds, so try and wrap it up before that time. If you finish early, you can hit the stop button. Alright, and then you can play it back and make sure that you like it. If you don't like it, you can always re-record it. You can always redraw the line for your mouth. So edit anything that you need to, change it so that you're happy with it. When you are happy with it, you're going to hit that next button that's yellow up in the top right corner. And that's going to take you to a place where you can add some things to your picture. So you can do some filters, some little stickers, frames, words, all kinds of stuff. I like to keep mine just as it is so that I can show off my artwork. So I'm going to hit the next again. And then the bottom right, it looks like I can save it to my iPad. I'm going to click that. It has a little arrow with the iPad. And it's telling me it's exporting to my camera roll. It takes a little bit, especially if you use those full 30 seconds. Alright, and then that's going to be saved on my camera roll so I can then share it how I want. I would love to see your videos, so please share them with me if you do this, and have fun.